Hi, good morning. I am Nithin Krishna, a business consultant and a corporate trainer. Welcome to the video series, The Leadership in My Own Experience, video 2. I request you to listen to the video 1 also because it's a continuous series. So then only you will get a continuity. So last time we learned some leadership lessons from Mr. Vipul Shetty, to whom I reported for 2 years. So let us have some new learnings from Mr. Vipul Shetty today also. Our next stop was the city Calicut. We reached there early morning itself. The territory business manager of Calicut joined us. This time, he gave his plan for the day in a printed format which is taken from company system itself. I saw a knowing smile in Vipul's face, because I instructed the territory business manager to take the printouts from company system itself, because I had an experience of previous day with Vipul. So really Vipul appreciated me for the immediate change. I had some learning from Vipul on the previous day. Next day itself I executed the same with the TBM. So this is a very important learning for all the leaders. If you learn something, we have to start to execute it immediately. Please don't wait for weeks or months to execute any new things. If you have some learnings, if you decided to execute it, do it immediately. Please don't wait for months, years or weeks. Do it immediately. After that, again we had some discussions with the territory business manager. He produced some data about the prescription habit of the doctors whom we planned to visit on that day. So we checked everything. After that, we had a reality check with the medical shops. We visited some medical shops and checked the prescription habit of the same doctors once again. But we identified some mismatches. That is, there was a mismatch between the data which he has produced and the actual data which we collected from the medical shops. So after analyzing the new data, we prepared a very good plan to convert these particular doctors. So this is another learning for the leaders. That is, we should not work on intuitions. We should not work on any old data. We should always make plans based on the new data only. We have to come to the reality. So most of the time, we and our team members work with some old data or work with some intuitions. We are away from the reality. So always we bring back our team member to the reality and help him to understand the reality and make plans based on the reality and based on the current situations. So after making a clear-cut plan, we entered the first doctor chamber, and there was a very good discussion happened inside the doctor chamber. But instead of the TBM, I discussed more. I explained well to the doctor, and finally the doctor got converted. That is, doctor agreed to prescribe our brands. Once we came out of the doctor chamber, Vipul asked me, "Nithin, you did a mistake. You should not talk inside the doctor chamber. Actually, the territory business manager is supposed to do this inside the doctor chamber. I have product knowledge. That is not enough. Your team member also should have the same product knowledge." So this is another mistake which is done by most of the leaders and managers. They do everything alone. They will not allow their team members to grow. Leader might be capable, leader might be knowledgeable, leader might be equipped, but that is not enough. The responsibility of a leader is to equip his or her team member to grow in life. Equip him or her to do a particular job. Equip his or her team members to overcome the obstacles. Managing the absence is very important, because we might be working with our team members for 1 or 2 days, maximum for 3 or 5 days in a month. So remaining days they work alone. At that time, if they want to produce results, we have to equip them to do the job. We should not do their job. We should do only our job. Our job as a leader, our responsibility is to equip the team members and develop our team members. So this is the biggest learning. This is the most important learning what I got from Vipul. It is the responsibility of a leader to equip his team member to do a particular job. Don't do anything alone. Instead of that, equip them to do and manage our absence. That will definitely produce a very good, very fantastic result in our life and in our professional life, and definitely that will help the growth of the organization. So for all the leaders, this is a big learning. So let us have new learnings in coming videos also. We have to learn so many things in leadership. So till that time, I am signing off. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and press on bell button. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.